Relief is on its way for those in northern Wisconsin. One cooperative got a new shipment of propane and is now signing up people in Marinette County for deliveries. NBC 26's Deanna Corinthios continues our live team coverage.
Stacy, many smaller cooperatives are out of propane, but Larson Cooperative, a larger one, was able to truck in 24,000 gallons of propane from the state of Kansas this weekend. That means they can take on new customers. A full propane truck, a welcome sight for the people of Marinette County. Larson Cooperative, based in New London, is signing up hundreds of new customers. A relief for Timothy and Dorothy Wiley, whose tank at their home in Amberg is only 20% full.
We're just hoping if we can last until we get more. We don't know who to get it from because our own supplier says they're out.
Larson Cooperative sales reps say those who sign up today can expect their tanks to be filled by the end of the week. The price is $6.99 per gallon.
We're in crisis mode and we're servicing them. We're getting them gas now. If they want to continue to get gas from us in the future, that's their decision.
While Larson Cooperative has made propane available to people, town leaders say they're still very concerned for those who can't afford to pay upwards of $6 a gallon.
There's going to be a lot of people that are going to be hurting, and there may have some deaths in the area. I hope not.
The Wileys just hoping to scrape by.
If we have to drain our savings, well, then hopefully nothing else will happen to us.
People signing up today could get their tank filled with a maximum of 300 gallons and a minimum of 100 gallons. For others, the price was just too high. They're opting to tough it out with no heat. Deandra Corinthios, NBC 26.